in this lecture we are going to learn about the JavaScript hoisting. It is very important in the JavaScript concept and as well as in the interview. So if you are going for the Java interview room, so you should have this understanding, right? So let's begin and understand what is JavaScript hosting. So JavaScript hoisting is a JavaScript default behavior of moving all declaration to the top of their function scope, right? So we will go in the coding part also. So first understand. So like in the general programming language, what we have to do, we have to first declare the data variables type, and then we want to push the your to the value as a like a constant or variable we have, and we want to put the data, right? Similarly, the concept is that this is the default behavior of the JavaScript, right? So let's understand first what is hosting variables, right? So the basic programming fundamental of many languages is to declare, like first what we have to do, we have to write a variable x, and then we point out the value 10 to the x, right? We are going to store the value. So before storing the general programming language, what we used to do, we first define the variable and then we will store the variable, right? But in the JavaScript, if we have stored a variable and then after we are going to define the variables, so this concept is called the variable hosting, and there is no difference between the previously while we are defining the variables and then we are assigning the value. But in JavaScript, if we are writing assigning the value and then we are declaring the value, is no problem, right? So this concept is called JavaScript hosting, and it gives you JavaScript to host the declaration of a variable up and allow it to use, right? And let's see how we can do. So I have taken a variable ABC as 1 2 3, and I'm getting the console ABC. So we can see 1 2 3, we are getting the data, right? So if we are going to write variable a equal to 1, variable b equal to 2, and then variable c equal to 3, but we are not defining the variable c right here, see. So if we are writing the console and then we are updating, we are defining the value variable c, right? So there will no change in the console message, right? Because this concept is called variable hosting. First you assign the value and then we define the variables, right? So thank you very much, guys. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box, and I will update you, right? So we'll see the next concept in the next lecture. So if you have not joined our channel, so if you are the first time you came coming to our website, or you can say on the YouTube, right, our channel, so please join our channel. Okay, so we will get the latest update from me. Thank you.